Hello students, this is Shovik, your instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will talk about lists, Python lists. Let me write Python lists. Okay, let me zoom in this a bit. Okay, I think this is fine. Okay, so what is a list in Python? What is a list in Python? A list is a data structure in Python that is mutable or changeable ordered sequence of elements. Okay, so mutable, I have discussed what is mutable and immutable in one of my previous videos. Now mutable is changeable. You can change the elements in a list according to your wish. So a list is something like this list. Let's take a name of a list, this and some values in a list. Okay, now let me comment this out. Okay, now if I want to print this list, just have to write print and list 1 and the program, see, red, green, blue, the list itself, it is printing the whole list. Okay, now if I want to add one value in this list, then the function is append list 1, append, then yellow, and the program, see, yellow is added in your output. In this way you can add one element in a list. Okay, list can be in any data type or anything, like in mixed data types or in a particular data type. In list 1, this is all string data types, right? Now if I take another list, let's 2, 3, 4 and list 3, this will be one mixed data type, red 1, yellow 2. Clear? So list can be in any data type, whether it is string, integer, it can be float also, like that, or mixed data types. Okay, now appending one value in a list, we use the function append. Okay, now if I want to delete one particular data from a list, we do del list 1 and the index number of a list. See, the index number of this value is 0, then this is 1 and this is 2. I want to delete the green, so 1, another program, see, red, blue and yellow, green is deleted. Okay, now comment this out, or yeah, I should comment this out. you know how to comment this out. Just control slash. Okay, let's take another example of a list. Even some even numbers, right, and odd, the odd numbers. Okay, now if I do numbers and I do this, concatenating these two lists into one, that is numbers. Now if I print numbers, let's see what happens. See, Python compiler concatenated these two lists into one, which is number, but it is concatenated, but it is unordered. So we can sort this list using one function, and that is numbers sort. That's it. See, it is concatenated and also sorted at the same time using this function. Okay, we can do the same using another function. So delete this one. If we do print sorted and numbers, will get the same result. See, we will get the same result as we got from here. Clear? Okay, now there is a difference between sort and sorted, which is basically sort is a method. Okay, this one is a method and this sorted is a function. Okay, sort method will modify the list it is called on. Okay, sort method actually modifies the list which is called on, but this sorted function creates a whole new list. It doesn't modify the existing lists, it creates a whole new list. Okay, now let me give you an example. In that way you can understand it is what it is. If sort if numbers equals to okay, I have to take this one, sorted numbers, and I have to take this in a variable. Now if numbers equals to sorted numbers, print it is same, else print it is not same. Let's see. Here the number will return, let me print the number also. Numbers will return the unsorted concatenated list, and this will return concatenated sorted list. Both are same, but it will not same. How? Because Python compiler typically takes these two lists and it matches. Okay, now the elements of these lists are these two lists are same, but not the order. Okay, not the order. If I do sorted, see, it is same. Okay, now one more thing, if I print this one, print, let me copy the whole thing. Actually I'm doing the same, I'll write the same, so I'm copying. See, none. See, sort doesn't make any type of object. Okay, it will modify the existing list and it will show the result. It will not modify, it will not create any type of object, but this function will create an object or say list, and it will do in that way. That is why when you are trying to print this sort, it will show this output because it has no list that is being made by the compiler using this method. Okay. Okay, I think this one is also clear to you. Anything else forgetting? No. So that's it. That is all for list in Python. In my next video I will talk about dictionary and tuples. Okay, till then, thank you.